Dadaan lang kita, baka ako nainitan ka eh.
Bagong laba to.
Diyan ka lang. Baka magkasakit ka pa, meron pa akong 2 linggo. Okay lang. Ito. Diyan ka lang. Ang ito maganda ron. Ikaw. Huwag ka tayo ng junkie. Alright. Kung sino ba? Ito mo, waterfall. Waterfall. One thing, thing. Okay, pwede na. Okay na, pwede na.
Wet t-shirt competition.
Ha? Wet, yeah.
White versus black.
White versus black. Ayan, ang black. Ay, si Jenta. Hey! Hindi! Nakak! It's a different kind of rainbow, isn't it, King? It's quite nice. Huh? It's quite nice. Ay, balak na! Take off your shirt, King. Take off your shirt. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I'll hold you forever. If ever bounce in my arms again. Nagkaraoke sa ano? Sa ulan. This time will never Look, teka, you wanna go there, King? And then, come on. Picture. Tagal naman. Wait. Talon tayo. One, talon, 3, talon. Sabay, ito pa. 1, 2, 3, talon. Sabay, Joshua, 1, 2, 3, talon. Oh, parang may record tayo. King, let's take it there. Look, in the baha. Ano mo? Ito ang ating baha. Oh, look. It's a river. If ever you're... Uy, ang laki ng palaka. Ang laki ng palaka, oh. Palaka. May palaka. Dak. Laki ng palaka. King. Come here, King, look. A big frog, bullfrog. Left. It's a bullfrog. So big. Yeah. The second chances somehow. If ever, tara, tayo. Pagdating ako, again. Dali, kanta, kasama si Jetta, kanta tayo. Tapos, punta tayo sa kabila. If ever, para tayo nangangaroling, come on. Tara, karoling tayo, dali. This time will never If ever you're in my arms again, this time I'll hold you forever. This time will never. Hey, come on! Hey, look, Philippines. In the Philippines, basang-basa kami. Ever you're in... Oh, yan ba? Linis natin kotse niya, no? Yung Mac. Linis natin, car wash. Ha? Very. Sino nandyan? Sinong car wash dyan? Eh! Car wash. Nandun si Abby. Nandun si Abby, girl ko. Hello, Zoria. Hi, my Sarah. Oh my God. Teka lang, medyo. Sir, gusto niyo ng wipe, sir?